nyina ka bom ya wone German adwumakuo eye biotechnology for akabom se COVID enroi yes say aba begintra ha se oman bi esese wonya bie no empane ne sese wo mo ankasa nso etimi ye bi ewo ebibrem ha se be ya kwantententen ya da bia etwa egu play mu ansa ne ba akwabrane aso wontoma ne wo mochacha mu akwakosia enuro no ewo ye wiemse gina bia no ne nyina ebetumi afiri ho wei eyensama ebeto odwa wabra ye kasa na nadan kwakufu ado Ghana mampanim wonnamu ewo Germany eyemamu mabek enhyiamudi a ekoso wa ena wogina ye a wokasa ye ede nsem wenyina to dwa na meka sei mampani enim ma eye na tipefo mampanifo makiso ena afi Pokigami ya wonum efri Sɇnɇgal ene Rwanda wo munyina eka ho ena sa dwumadie ekoso se Biotech for emra meye edro emfa ema oman Ghana ye kasa nso de ye European Union afenso so European Commission ene mpanimfo ni nyina nso so eka ho bi ya wo mo hwese ense nyina bekomu a ye World Health Organization so wo mo edi santintima mu bie na wo mo hwese enema betumi atototo ye ede ama Ghana sesi edie ye CEO ene co-founder funders ya wo mo enam Biotech adwumako no wo mo ena womo ehwe so Professor Iga Sahin womo nyina so atu womo num to de atodwa se sansese ya wonom ne ebibrem amaman eye no womo ebeyi womo famu de ahobo bi esese womo eye se womo betimi ababebo aduro no bia no aye ewo bibrem no womo beye ne pepepe enti anye hwehwe be African Union enhyiamudi ase ewo afi 2022 yi ne mpamu ho no na chese womo ebewie bibia de entiase apam enkrata bi esese womo edu womo sashase ende na chese womo wie na afei enuro no ye ntwa kwan enko eye Europe biem ene akwa hwe na chese womo be ye ho adwuma ewo Ghana eye ebibrem hasen
represents indeed a momentous day for Mother Africa. Another step in the process of self-reliance has been taken, and I'd like to thank very much the German technology company Biotech and Kenap Foundation for their contribution to this end. Thankfully, following the introduction of vaccines and the continued compliance with COVID protocols, many African countries, and indeed most of the world, are slowly returning to states of near normality. Whilst applauding the COVAX, AU, and AVATT in COVID-19 vaccine supply initiatives, we're nevertheless venturing into vaccine development and manufacturing, with Ghana, Rwanda, and Sɇnɇgal determined to become vaccine manufacturing hubs in sub-Saharan Africa. We want to achieve self-sufficiency in vaccine production to meet future national, regional, and continental needs for health security.
Ghana mampani nanadan kwakufu Addo ne nuanom Sɇnɇgal ena afei Rwanda mampani anamomoto akọ Germany memu ekose adwumakuo no ba beye COVID vaccines no ewo hase no emu ensem bi ena wode atodwa no na yenko yenim enkomra sebedwemu ewa bra ye kwakọ se de emfoni no koye ene videos no nyina ate ewo omemra sebedwem emra sebedwa na etoso enwotwe no wonum nyina edom kuma no dom kase ne nyina afam aka bom akasa ediafa yewra ismalasete brebi atwamu tema east wono nene nkoye mrase bedwani ewo honum kopem se afei wadane edema obi fofra na anu yai ye wo ho ayete se yewra ismalasete wadane benkum so na esanse na wadi ne dwuma semra sebedwani ewo memra sebedwamu ntino na abusuafo ede ensem no hama ne ebo nyina kokobo emra sebedwafo enra na emu na mra sebedwafo no nsoso ekasa de fa yewra ismaasete ne su ene ne ban ene sede na ne nipadua etie nyina ho ya wo chese no kra Ghana ahwere wo manyoni pa na ne mu oduro yi anu onim de ewo men amanyosemu yewra eye jo osewusu wono ena wo kasa bie ede to dwa kire se eye resmasete adwuma esese wo ye ede bo ne manpunto nyina de waye ane wo se nanu kura de na wono ene ye enkramantam so afo ansa na nanu yesesa no ede yewura Henry Kote ede abai na abra no ye mra se badwanim de ma de hia wo mo wotema east no adwuma no so wo ye wo bo no homoden wasumoma ne bia kama ansa onyankopon eto ne nsa ede afre no na ebusua no ede amane nyina ebo mrase badwafo.
Honorable Member of the Council of State, Your Excellency, this is a sad moment, but I'm also excited to see my very senior colleagues here. We know from practice here that when a former member dies, Parliament participates in the funeral fully. And in this case, Honorable Ashite never really ceased to be a member. Because once he was the original minister, he was fully in touch with members, particularly those of us on the majority side. And we used to visit his house very often. It can be said of him that he was not given to being loud, but he was very firm. And that's what I loved about him, calm but firm. That is a man we are planning to bury. My prayer is that the family will be consoled and that in all this we will learn the lessons that he has left for us. We will continue with the good things he did. So on behalf of Mr. Speaker, once again, my condolences, and be assured that the drinks will be given to the respective sides of the House, and Mr. Speaker will formally announce his demise and the funeral arrangement.
Yewra Jo Seusu wabra wogina mrasebedwa no anemu eji ensa ene enuoma ebusuafo no ede ba besi mrasebedwafo yie se yewra Ismaila Chete enei wankati asefo biemu a na opene eyeye eji Blanson ene di wo manim na wo wie ye ne dom kuma no so afam no nso no Edwin ni Lante Vanderpoy ene gina ye ena wokasa ese nukre yewra Ismaila Chete ye wanya ne ba bi koi ebeka NPP amanyuko no papa enkankane enkramanta masem efresa de ne wodi ne dwuma de nkabo mu ebre amanyuko ne woni hobiem no eyade ebe ha amanyuko ne no ene wogina so ede sre NDC ne NPP amanyuko no a wonom ewo enkramanta mase wo mu nyina nka wo hommom se be obetimi apre empunto ede ama enkramanta mi.
My uncle and father, Honorable Sănăgal Blanson, the members of the funeral committee, and also the family of our departed senior colleague, friend, and uncle, Ishmael Ashide. I would say he's one of the few people who will not look at you with a political eye when he meets you. He first will look at you, meet you, talk to you as a human being, and then if you have to go further to know which part of the country you come from. One thing I admire most about him is the fact that he has never spoken English with me whenever we have met. He tries to speak our language with me, and I feel so proud of him. That he is so proud of his background as a Ghana Addo.
Edwin ni Lante Vanderpoy odododio mrasebedwani ena wote se wono so gina donkuma no anemu a wakasa ye ne da so e wo mrema sebedwemu am mrasebedwem dom kase no ene wodo onsato wonsayem ede pouch echaupa emu oden ema UTAG University Teachers Association say wona dawroma atuate a wate se wonko enkonko kira de biem no wosre enkonfa mra wieye na wontumi enkonko kira nkwada na de sebe ya enkonwase nso a eguso ekoso wo one abantem no bibia betumi akoso yie mrasebedwafo e kire se